So, donkey. So, yung donkey, data only, no knowledge, or expertise, and why. So, ang kanyang traits is blend data with storytelling, connect data with business objectives, and teach strategic integration, teach strategic insight integration. So, it concerns about the data, yung data na pwede mong gamitin sa trabaho, and yung narratives ng data na yon. Kasi may storytelling na kasama eh. There are stories behind data or datum. Okay? Plural kasi ng data is datum. So, yon. Nakalagay dyan sa ganyan. And, ano ba? Teach strategic insight integration. So, yung mga insights mo, yung insights ng bawat tao, ini-integrate yan. Ini-integrate yan, pinag-aaralan yan. Hindi yan basta-basta sinasama. Pinag-aaralan yan, ha. Oh. So, yun yung importanteng nakukuha natin, donkey. No? Data only, no knowledge, expertise, and why. So, ibig sabihin, data lang talaga to. So, yun lang po.